This is Jordan Chato and this is Sir Nick, and welcome to our channel. Unsa? Mas malungtad siya kaysa na ho. Ikaw kay salig na ho kapila na ka mountain nang kat-kat. Why intro ni? Ara. Bitaw. Uy, grabe paspasa man. Huway ning diretso man. Dong. Tuktok kayo na. Kisa may looy, ako ikaw. Sago na yung dan, yung giingon? Oh my God, Jesus. Ay, saan?
Kasaka mo na?
Kana?
Oo.
Unsa mo na pagsaka?
Di akabit.
Hagod.
Nakakadawit ka na.
Ani?
Tingka na.
Sa tubo?
Oo.
Uy, ginoo ko.
Hindi eh.
Ato na lang tato. Adyo gani kay ni-insist ni si.
Okay pa ka?
Okay pa ka? Hapit na gyud. Sir Kono. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we're here at one of tourist spot in Katigbian. Okay, wala pa na siya na-discover. This is, you know, wala pa siya na-discover. O, paano na-discover? Kami pa naka-discover. So, ayaw ba? Sorry. May lami ha? Okay. Here at one of the reservoir here in Katigbian. So, ito ay bago pa lang ginawa dito para mag-supply ng tubig sa whole Katigbian. Sabi ng mga cousin ko, maganda daw dito. So, tinry namin puntahan to. So, yun na nga, tingnan natin ang view kung kayo na yung mag-judge kung maganda ba talaga. In 3, 2, 1.
Feel the daylight on our skin. We are young, we feel everything. Yeah, it's starting to begin. Hear the words we were meant to sing. Close my eyes, I feel where we are. We can run all night till the dawn. We light it up like the stars. No more fear of hiding. Stay where we are. We're the ones. We can break the silence. We can break the silence. We can break the silence. In the distance, I can see all the things that we can achieve. Are you starting to believe that tonight it was meant to be? Close my eyes, I feel where we are, where we are. We can run all night till the dawn, till the dawn. Light it up like the stars. No more fear of hiding. Stay where we are. We're the ones. We can break the silence. We can break the silence. We can break the silence.